Hello YouTubers, how are you doing? Welcome back. This video is about Interceptor 650 and I think that there are a lot of exhausts which you can put off aftermarket exhaust in your Interceptor. So I have tried three types of exhaust, one and also added a little bit of enhancement systems in that. One is the air filter, and the second one is the booster plug, and then I'll tell you what are the the advantages of all these three combination, and how the ride quality and the throttle response, the fuel has improved. As you can see, this is the motor wing air filter which I have used it in my bike, and as per motor wing, the air flow increases by about from 42 to 54, which is not very high, but still there is a significant improvement when it is combined with the stock mm, exhaust. So when I had put these two, what are the advantages and what are the things which I got out of the vehicle was that one, I had seen that the vehicle was little more freewheeling, and we were able to go without much lag. So without the filter in city traffic, I used to have a slight lag in my bike. So that had completely gone because of these two combinations, and I did not see any bump in pickup, or I did not see any bump in torque, because it could have been there, but it is very difficult to literally feel that there is some difference in terms of the bike pulling away. So that is the combination. So, and second, I have used the same combination with the shorties. These are short ones. These were custom made for the bike, and this is a single core system which was fitted to my Interceptor. Now, if you are a guy who wants more sound, a louder exhaust, yes, you can use this, because this has got dB killer, which is removable, but the sound is amazing without the dB killer. Though I am not a huge fan of increasing loudness, I have not removed it and used it. So now let's talk about what happens with these two combinations. With the air filter and this, the bike was much smoother, but the only issue which I had was that the uh, the initial pull of the vehicle actually dropped, but then the as we go up the read meter, it was fantastic. After mid range was very good, and in my opinion, I think because of this there was no increase in bhp. I think there was an increase in the torque. So the pulling, like for example, when I was riding in the hills, with this combinations, I had still felt some strain in the bike, but with these two, I had no problems climbing. I had no strain in spite of having a pillion. So this is more talkier, more bossy. The sound is absolutely fantastic. It actually also keeps your bike very lean. It looks more compact. So if you are of a bike lover who wants to have a loud exhaust and want it to be shorties, and I think these two are beautiful combinations. Now I had fitted the motor wings silencer in the bike. So as you can see, these are the motor wings, the exhaust system. Now with the air filter, and what I have experienced with that, it is a one of the best combinations, because the vehicle is much smoother. The throttle response is absolutely very good. The sound is noticeably high, but not very high, because it does not and it does not irritate on longer rides. It is very good. The mileage has not dropped either too. It is almost at the same, and the biggest advantage of that is that it has got dual core. So up to around 70 kilometers an hour, if you're driving the vehicle, is absolutely just floating with you. And after that, again, if you're trying to pull the vehicle up by shifting down the gear, it really pulls hard. So that is because of the two core system which it has been incorporated. As I said, you cannot remove the DB killer in the motor wing exhaust. It is very good. So when this was happening, I think a lot of people were talking about booster plugs and so on and so forth. So this is actually a prototype booster plug. In most scenarios, you would have seen, as you are aware, with these combinations of the aftermarket motor wings exhaust with motor wings air filter. Now I have also, this is also actually a prototype which is still on the making from motor wings, obviously. So this has come for testing. So this is not the usual booster plug which you will see in the market. This is completely different. This has got a sensor inside which just detects the temperature and then alters the fuel ratio of the vehicle. So I just removed it just for the sake of the video, but I was using it in my bike. So the initial impressions on this is that when I fitted it first, it did give me an error. So I was a little shocked what was the issue, but then after a while when I replugged it, the error is completely gone. Okay, now what is the thing which I use is with this and the air filter and the motor wings exhaust which I had shown. The advantage of this is that even with these two combinations, that is from the air filter and the exhaust, the throttle response is very good. It is very smooth when you roll the throttle. There is no jerk in the bike, or when you get off the throttle, there is no jerk in the bike. But after this, the engine braking. So when you get off the throttle, there is good amount of engine braking in that bike. But after this, it has significantly come down. So that is one. Some might call it disadvantage, but some might call it as an advantage. But for me, I still feel that it is a little bit of advantage to me, because when I off the throttle, it doesn't slow down. It just goes smooth. It just rides very smoothly. That's one really advantage. And second, I have not seen the difference. But normally, when I ride at around mid noon, by around between 12:30 to 2 o'clock. So I could literally feel a little bit of harshness in the engine. That has completely gone. It is very smooth even at 12:30 or 1 o'clock in the noon, or even at the night times. The vehicle used to be real smooth without this. But then now I see at any given point, either in the mornings or in the evenings or in the mid-afternoon rides, the vehicle has not shown any difference, or the engine noise has not shown any difference. So it has remained the same. That is one biggest advantage I have seen. So in this percolates into one thing, that the engine heating, because a lot of people would have felt a little bit of heat in the mid-afternoon when you're riding. So that has significantly come down, in my opinion. It's not very well, because normally I could literally feel when I wear a normal pant, not the riding jackets, I used to feel a little bit of heat coming through the knee, near my thighs and all that, but that is significantly reduced. Now the third point in this is the mileage has been slight increase. I wouldn't say it is a very high increase, but around 3 kilometers per liter it has increased. So and I'm not a aggressive rider. I'm a very smooth rider. So in that way, this has given a 3 kilometer bump in the mileage. And the fourth advantage is that in the morning, when I used to start the bike, sometimes in most scenarios I had to use the switch twice. Sometimes it used to not start, but with this, it's just click of the start key, the vehicle starts immediately. So guys, this is a prototype. The final product is yet to come. We are testing it. So as and when, if I feel there is any issues, then I will obviously report back saying that I had get these issues. So this is all about. So I personally felt that the this is not, you cannot call this as a booster plug in my opinion, because there is no increase in BHP, or there is no increase in torque for sure. That's for sure. This only alters the fuel you know and air mixture, thereby keeping, because of the temperature, and it alters the fuel mixture, thereby keeping the vehicle running smooth at all temperatures. That's the only advantage of this. So if you guys are looking for some BHP or torque increase, I don't think this would do the job. But yes, instead of spending so much of money, I think this would literally give you a smoother ride. And if you're looking at a very responsive throttle, well, yes. And if you're looking at the engine noise is, I don't know why, but the engine noise has slightly reduced. I wouldn't say on a very larger scale, but it is slightly reduced. So if you are looking at those kind of things, yes. So the combination with this motor wings air filter and the motor wings exhaust, I think you're done, because one biggest advantage is you get a 3 kilometer advantage in terms of mileage. So I think that is the only thing. So guys, thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Please do subscribe my channel and share it.